This is definitely not the end of Techwen. Instead, I like to see it as the start of something new. In a joint effort with my friend Robert, we have started up the new channel, Retronest. And this is just an announcement to tell you guys about that channel and what you guys will be expecting. So as I say, this is not the end of Techwen. I am not ready to say goodbye to something I've put 7 years of effort into, but I do want to separate my efforts from Techwen over to this new channel. People's interests can change over time, and I've definitely had my fair share of it. If you guys watch my history of Techwen video, you would know that in 2014 I had this weird era when I started making video game collection videos, and really looking back on those is what led me to create this channel. I really did miss making those retro gaming videos. They were just so fun to make, they were so joyous, and collecting old video games, it just felt so cool. Having something that I could be proud of as well was a good factor into that. But I was heavily inspired by a lot of YouTubers like Alex, aka Captain Nintendo Dude, other channels like Nintendo Collecting, etc. I could go on, CJR, that's another one. But I started getting into those videos again recently, and I just can't believe what I left behind. There's a whole opportunity for retro video game collecting out there, and I want to jump back into it. But I don't think it's right to upload all of these new retro gaming videos to the channel, considering the audience I've built up over here is all about technology and computers. But unfortunately on YouTube, interest can die over time, and I've definitely come to notice that with retro computers and computing in general videos. My videos have got less and less views over the past few months, and while I have slowed down in the creation of them, a lot of it is to do with the lack of motivation I get anymore. Obviously, I did have YouTubers like Greenham Gaming as inspiration, but it's really clear to me that even YouTubers like him with a massive platform also find it hard to make the videos that they used to make. People came over for my style because it was so similar to Greenham Gaming, but I'm just ready now to move on to trying new things and trying new styles, and in fact trying new content. So obviously I'm not expecting to get anywhere near the fan base I have on this channel, but I want to let you guys know what's happening, where my focus is going to be for the next few months, and where you guys can find me. We do have a Discord server for the new channel. I'll leave a link to that in the description, and also the channel link, obviously. We have a Twitter, Facebook page. Obviously they're a bit bare right now, but you can go follow those to keep up to date with what we're going to be doing. And obviously I want to give a big shout out to my friend Robert. He's been so helpful while creating this channel. He's always been there, and in every bit of way has helped with the creation of this channel. So yeah, this isn't really a hard video for me to make. I've made a lot of announcements like this in the past, but for once this is the big announcement that I wanted to let you guys know of. Obviously, as you can see behind me, this is actually my retro gaming collection. There is a big tall shelf which is obviously out of shot, but I have kept all this retro gaming stuff from back in my days of collecting, and I am ready to get back into it. So yeah, the type of content you guys will be seeing from us is all the way from gaming videos to gaming reviews, console reviews, looking back on old consoles from the past, etc, etc. You get the point. It's just going to be a really nice channel all about retro gaming, retro collecting, etc. But yeah, our first video is going to be coming out soon, which is going to detail the history of the GameCube. So I hope you guys will enjoy that. Make sure to check it out when it's released, and make sure to follow our socials so you know what we're up to. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope it was informative as to what's been happening, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.